All right, so I'm going in here and changing this because this is too long for me. All right, so this is part of the process. I'm going to show you guys the whole thing, right? This is from my brainstorming to conception to launch to all this kind of stuff, right? I'm going to show you guys everything. All right, let's get in. I'm doing a video review to test between ChatGPT and Bard to see what type of responses I get. Create a video script to follow that draws the audience and intrigues them as well. This will be a fun test, and I will be inputting the same prompts into both ChatGPT and Bard to compare. My ultimate goal is to show my audience the entire process I'm going through from start to finish, and the audience should be able to leave with valuable information that they too can utilize for their benefit. Okay, make this one test prompt. Okay, so let me copy this prompt over, right? I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna dupe that. Oh, nice, dude. Okay. This is kind of how I would talk to it about this too. You know what I'm saying? So the better you prompt this thing, the better response you're gonna get. All right, and this is pretty much what I'm gonna be following. You guys pay attention, like this is, as far as time is concerned, it cuts down on so much extra time that I would not have to waste trying to figure out how to put this down and communicate what I'm trying to get done, you know? But here you can just be specific with prompts. It'll create some good outline, give you a lot of good information, maybe even prompt you to have other ideas, or, you know, when you're reading the output that it's providing for you, you determine if you like it or don't like it, or if it's not enough, or if it's too much, or if it's, you know, maybe you should explain it a little bit different. It's all on your preference, right? So even if you just took all this information and went straight and published it somewhere, that's not you. So you got to definitely talk to it a little bit more once it gives you some output. Um, adjust this as well, you know, get in there and put your own personal touch on it. And that's how, you know, you're going to utilize AI to expand yourself, right? Don't copy, you know, don't just copy everything. Read this through and see if this, would this be in your words? Would you be, you know, the person that this script is really for, you know? And if it's not, adjust it. How would you say it differently? What kind of different words would you use? Um, you know, you can think about the audience that you're also writing to. You know, how old are they? What's their demographic? What are their, you know, what's their language? You know, is it more more chill? Is it more academic? You know, depends on who your audience is and what you're writing about. So that's always considerations that you need to take into account when you're creating stuff, you know, especially written words and stuff that you plan to publish and put out there. So anyway, this is we're gonna run with this, all right, and I'll do a little bit of changes while I'm doing this script to you, but this is a good start. All right, and let's get started on the next video. See you in a sec.